The Uninvited Guest, Software Installation on Operating Systems. James is under pressure to resolve an issue in the production environment. However, standard tools on the server are insufficient for handling large log files. James's intention was simply to do his job. Instead of waiting for the formal change management process, he decided to take initiative and install the tool directly. Reason: James installed the software directly on an operational system without testing it first. He did not know what background changes this small application would make. The log viewer replaced shared system libraries with its own versions, causing compatibility issues and breaking the core application. Outcome: an unauthorized 5 MB installation caused 5 hours of downtime and a significant risk of data loss. The training reinforces that production systems are not laboratories. Even the smallest software must be tested, approved, and deployed by authorized personnel. The need was similar, but James's approach had matured. This time, James tested the software in a safe, isolated environment. The test environment did its job. It detected the issue and prevented a production outage. Rules exist not for bureaucracy, but for stability. James completed his task without leaving damage behind. Operational systems are the heart of your organization. Every piece of code introduced must be carefully controlled. Always test software in a dedicated test environment before installing it on production systems. Follow formal change management procedures and obtain required approvals for all software installations. Only install licensed, business-approved software on operational systems. Maintain a rollback plan to restore systems quickly if a software installation or update causes issues.